HubKoin Exchange Tutorials, How to Deposit Using Wire Transfer. To deposit funds, you will need to send an e-transfer or a wire transfer. In this example, we will be using wire transfer and explaining things you need to know to complete the process. Wire transfers are only to be used in cases where deposits will be over $10,000. This process may require you to go to your bank and begin the process. To begin, you will need to log into your HubKoin account. Go to hubcoin.io and click the Sign In button on the top right-hand corner. You will be redirected to trade.hubcoin.io and you should see the login screen. Enter your credentials and log in. When you log in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Select Wallets on the top banner. You will see modules, one for every kind of currency you have, as well as fiat currency. In this tutorial, we will be depositing Canadian funds. Click the Deposit button on the right-hand side of the module. The Deposit menu will come up on your screen. In the Deposit screen, you will see a box under the Comments field. This box contains the information you will need to send funds to HubKoin via wire transfer. There is also additional banking information to the left-hand side of the screen, including HubKoin's SWIFT code. With this information, you can begin to process the wire transfer at the bank or however you are set up to send wire transfers. Once you are finished at the bank, or however you make a wire transfer, make note of the exact amount of money that will be sent to HubKoin and fill out the form in your HubKoin account in the deposit screen. Please note that HubKoin does not charge fees for this process, but we cannot control the fees that other financial institutions charge. When communicating with your financial institution, please confirm how much will be deducted from your deposit due to fees and make a note of it. For example, in international wire transfers, it is very common for $17.50 to be subtracted from the amount that you are sending. If you put in an order to deposit $10,700, the amount that will be deposited to HubKoin will be $10,682.50. In this example, when you fill out your deposit request on the HubKoin exchange, you would enter $10,682.50 as the amount, not $10,700. Following these steps allows us to properly process your deposit. It can take 7 business days for your deposit to be processed. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in explaining how to deposit funds into your HubKoin account. We appreciate your patience, and we will work to have your deposit processed quickly.